Hello, come in, good evening time. We got a little 221 here. I think it's a Palomar. I'm gonna do a little video on it just for fun. It's got one little 12 volt tube, 12, let's see, I can't remember the numbers on 12, 6JT6 or something. I'm trying to get in there, 12JB6 driver. It's driving two 8950s. This is one that I got a tube for a local friend of mine. Just he needed a little something. He had this and had one tube by it, so we got him one. Believe you me, they're like pulling hen's teeth. I think it was like $72 or $3 or $4 for that tube. My cost. But anyway, we got him fixed up with a little box. On off. Of course, you got 3 amp up. It works. 3 amp off down. Stand by and low. Okay, let's see what she'll do on low power to start with. Low power. Reflect. Well, get on down, get on down. 500 watt slug, low power. Get on down, get on down, get on down, 200. Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down, right close 200. This will be a good meter check. 1000 watt slug, PUP. Second meter. Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on 200. Input SWR, get on down. Yeah, leave him on high, done got him all tuned out. Of course, the meter and everything works in this baby. I said we didn't have to do a video on this, but we did it just for fun. Reflect on high. Get on down, get on down. Still less than a half a watt. Less than a watt. 500 watt slug. PP. Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down. That's 400. 1000 watt slug, PP. Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down. Worldwide, my little 289 50s getting on down, worldwide. Chigger, breaker. Worldwide. I tune this thing up and let it say it come back and still tuned right while I left it. It's a good indication all tubes are good and everything. Worldwide, get on down. We just did that to show it off to you guys. Thought you might enjoy looking at this little baby. Some antique CB history. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Tim, 01A Boost. Catch you later.